Fistulas. Introduction. Fistulas can affect any area in which connections are made between two or more parts of the body. Select true or false. Correct. Fistulas may develop between different organs and/or between internal organs and the outside of the body. They can also develop between blood vessels. The symptoms caused by a fistula depend on its severity and location. Select true or false. Correct. A fistula can cause different symptoms depending on the severity and location of the fistula. Are all fistulas caused by surgery? Select yes or no. Correct. Fistulas can be caused by diseases, medical treatment, or injury. Some people are born with a fistula. Fistulas sometimes close on their own. Select true or false. Correct. Fistulas sometimes close on their own. When they do not close on their own, medicine, certain diets, and surgeries also may be used to help treat fistulas. Thank you for using Explain.